Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Nissan Titan. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax vehicle history report. Key features include Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.